Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Cash app. We could not verify that this account belonged to you. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting. From here tap on Wi-Fi. From here what you need to do is connect strong Wi-Fi connection, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your app store and check your app cache update. After update your cache app, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open again setting and scroll down and tap on apps. From here tap on apps management and tap on Cash app. Tap on this. From here tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache and clear data, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and tap on long press on Cash app and tap on uninstall, and after a few minutes you have again installed your Cash app. And after that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.